Alright guys, what's up? I just want to make this quick video just to say thank you. I reached 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate anyone who's watched my videos. If you watch it all the way through, I appreciate it. If you ever left a comment, it's awesome. If you liked, subscribe. Even if you're not a subscriber and you still watch the videos, because I used to do that with different channels all the time. I really appreciate it. It's awesome. The whole thing's been a humbling experience. Just to give you some context, I used to be one of these people that used to watch, years ago or forever, how long I've been watching YouTube. I would watch other people's videos and sit there and critique their stuff in my head and wonder why they're doing stuff the way they're doing, and this sucks. What's wrong with this person? But then what happens is you start making videos and you realize how hard it is and how much you suck and how much of a process it is to try to get better at this stuff. So I'm not like that anymore, because even if I watch some channel I've never seen before and they only have a handful of videos and their stuff isn't that good, I still respect it, because people don't understand the work that goes into this stuff. It's time consuming. Each video probably takes, the editing alone probably takes about 6 hours for me, just because I go slow and I want to kind of just be meticulous with it. Some people can edit a video probably like an hour or 2 hours. But yeah, it's been a humbling experience, like I said. Special thanks, Joe from Smokin Joe's BBQ. A few days ago he shouted me out, and I had like 965 subscribers at the time, and overnight I got like 40 more, which is pretty cool. He didn't have to do that. He just he's shouting other channels out and getting recognition for other people, just spreading the love, and I think that's pretty cool. Also, Dawgfather Alton, every time I went on his channels, on his live streams, he's always hyped me up. He doesn't have to do that at all. He always tells people to check my channel out, and I always get a little bit of a spike from that, which is pretty cool. Then, any other creators out there, if I comment on your stuff, it's legit. I'm not sitting there trying to get subscribers from it. I just think, if I like your video, I'm going to comment on it. So I appreciate all you guys reciprocating and coming back to my channel and commenting on my stuff. And then even on social media, Judy Ann from Just 88, she's always on Instagram, always promoting me, which is awesome. Rexy, Cooking with Rexy's done that a couple times too, which is pretty cool. So, it's a small community. Everyone's showing love. We're trying to help each other out, and you can't do this on your own, because you need, people to help you out. I think it's pretty cool. Also, if you want to check out a cool Vegas vlog, I don't know if he goes by Ted or Teddy, but he's one of my OG subscribers from around like 200 or 300, and he always comments on my stuff every time I put videos out, and I'll go back and his stuff's good. I always like watching his videos, so we're always kind of going back and forth. So check him out. I'm gonna leave links to all these channels down below in the description, so check that out if you want to go look at these channels, and if you like it, subscribe. And probably, with all the barbecue channels and cooking channels, you guys, most of the people that watch my stuff probably already know these people anyway, so, but just in case you don't, go check them out. But yeah, when I first started, it was super, in my head I was super arrogant and naive, but I wouldn't tell anyone what I was thinking. But I was thinking I'm gonna sit there and put out like 10, 15 videos, and all of a sudden I'm gonna get like 2,000 subscribers, and life's gonna be easy and everything's gonna take off. And I'm not doing this for the money or the fame or anything like that. Eventually down the road, years down the road, if I'm still doing this, I'd like to replace my income. I think that would be pretty awesome. But the fame I could do without. I really don't give a shit either way about that. I guess it's cool a little bit, but that's not the main concern. This whole thing's just fun to do. It's fun to create videos. And if people appreciate it, if they get something out of it, if they get some value, then that's what it's all about, basically. But yeah, like I said, I just want to make a short video, not ramble on too long. I know it sounds like a lifetime achievement award or something like that, but I think it's awesome. I finally made it to 1,000 subs. It's probably been like, I don't know, about a year and a half it's been. I don't know exactly how long, but yeah, I think it was June of 2018, I put out a Blackstone griddle video, just because I wanted to put something out there just for the hell of it. I was getting good feedback on social media just for putting food pictures out there, like on Snapchat and Instagram. And I thought, it'd be cool to try to make some videos, because like I said, I was thinking it was going to be easy, and you don't realize how bad you suck until you start making videos. And it's just a progress. It's just a process. You just have to go through it. You have to just make a bunch of shitty videos until they start getting a little bit better. And I'm not at the point right now where I think I'm awesome or anything like that, but the videos I make now are like way better than you know, a year and a half ago. So, you know, it's coming along, and not everyone has the same style. Some people probably watch my videos and think they suck, but you know, it's all subjective. Some people just want straight to the point information, you know, no B-roll, no nothing like that, but I like the visuals. So it's just different styles, you know, it's whatever you like. But I don't want to ramble on too long. Thank you guys. 1,000 subs. Hopefully I can get to 2,000 quicker than I got to 1,000, but I'm gonna definitely be more consistent. I've been inconsistent. I've been just dragging ass for the last probably like 4 or 5 months, you know, with the football season, and just, I don't know, when you think about how many hours it takes to put in a video ahead of time, then it's kind of like just, but I like the process once I start doing it, but when I think about it before I start doing it, then it's just, you know, I don't know. But thanks again, guys. Peace out. Thank you.